In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter journal entries in Zoho Books. Manual journals are perfect for adjustments that aren't tied to a specific invoice or bill, things like accruals, depreciation, reclassifications, or opening balances. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share helpful tips so your entries post cleanly and support accurate reporting. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho account, and if you manage more than one organization, choose the correct company so the entry lands in the right books. Taking a second to confirm that now can prevent a lot of cleanup later. From the left sidebar, click Accountant. This is where Zoho Books groups tools for period-end tasks and adjustments. Next, click Manual Journals. You'll see a list of any journals you've already recorded, along with options to create a new one. Click New to start a fresh journal. A form opens where you'll build each line of the entry. Before you add amounts, check the journal date at the top so it reflects the correct accounting period. Posting to the right date is essential for month-end and year-end reports. Now work through the fields for each line. Select the account you want to affect, then add a clear description that explains the purpose of the line. Good narration saves time during reviews and audits. If this journal relates to a specific customer or vendor, choose the contact so downstream reports stay accurate. Set the transaction type if your workflow or region requires it, and apply tax only when the line genuinely needs tax treatment based on your local rules. Enter the amounts in the appropriate debit or credit column. Remember, this is double entry accounting. Total debits must equal total credits. Zoho Books will flag an imbalance, but it's best practice to think through the entry and add or adjust lines so everything nets to zero. Repeat this process for as many lines as you need to fully represent the transaction. Pause for a quick review. Confirm the accounts are correct, the descriptions are meaningful, any contact or tax selections are intentional, and the debit and credit totals match. Accurate details here prevent reconciliation headaches later. When you're satisfied, click Save and Publish. Publishing posts the journal to your general ledger immediately, updating your financial reports. If your process includes a review step, you can save it as a draft first and publish after approval. And that's it. With careful account selection, clear descriptions, and balanced debits and credits, you'll enter reliable manual journals in Zoho Books with confidence.